Here we're going to log in into another client, Bata3. This is to illustrate multi-organization and multi-terminals. So here we're just showing that this is the organization 60901. I can select that, and there's only this sort of terminal, and if I go, I have another terminal with the same organization name. That's because these organizations only have a single terminal. So we could log in from anywhere of them. So by default, everything I will be saying would be from the 60902 terminal point of view. We're looking at the sales per org over here. So by default, we selected the organization 60902. We just watch how much we had per sales, and now I took the filter out, and basically my roles allows me to view everything. I can also filter by date, and it will filter it out and shows me all the sales for this particular period and for all the organizations. Right, so now we'll have a look at another one, which is a sales report per terminal. So it usually breaks down the amount between cash, card, check, and the grand total. That's good when people want to actually do some sort of reconciliation between the different method of payments. So again, over here I can select the period. I could select a single date as well. So it's just showing how much cash and credit card we're using over here. We're going to try the sales per day now. So you will see I'm playing with these little dates, so I can add parameters and remove them, and it's very convenient. It's going to aggregate all the data according to what I want. So I can play with the data, slice and dice. So here what I'm doing is I'm sorting all the sales per day. So this is the 14th of June. So here I'm getting how much we sold per organizations and how much quantity we sold. Here I'm looking at what is my current best-selling items, selecting for a particular organization at the moment, and I'm going to play with the parameters, and I've selected another view, so the fast-moving items. We can save the views as well. So I'm clicking on the widget now. So what happens is when we click on these, it will bring more details about the products, because sometimes we just don't know what is 900600. So ideally we should get some pictures. Over here I'm just changing a different type of view, and I'm gonna customize it. So I'm gonna call this the fast moving items according to group 2. Now I'm going to remove the primary group, and I'm going to add the group 2. Alright, you actually have to save one before the other. So now I do a search for organization 60902, and I'm saying that the best type of product I'm selling is for men at the moment. Ladies on the second position, the ladies 5, so we actually have several categories for the ladies. So the man is a very strong category for us. And I took the filter out from the organization, so we can see it like across organization how it would look like. So now the organization comes back and it sort of splits, and we have the man, and I'm sorting by the best sort of categories per organization. So it's the 602 and 601, which are our best performing stores, and the men coming first, and then the ladies 5. Here this is very interesting. It's the daily sales per hour. That was very good for us because we actually reduced the number of sales and the closing time based on the figures we had. So we actually see that we don't sell much before 8 o'clock, and we actually opened the store a lot later, but then we figured out that that wasn't worthwhile. The because we actually don't sell anything after 5. Now looking at a different organization now and see what happens, and then they sold only one after 5 as well. So I'm looking at another store, and I'm gonna look for the whole store now, and I didn't put the organization filter, so it's gonna give me the whole sales for that date for all organization, and I can see that it confirms that most of my stores don't sell anything after 5. Over here I'm gonna check the dates, the month of the day, like which is the best selling. Is it on Saturday, Sunday? That's important as well for the staff rotation. So here on for this particular organization, Saturday was the best day, and for this one I think as well Saturday. So Saturday, then Monday, and then Friday. That's on a period of 2 weeks only though.